Hello YouTube team, this is Asadur Rahman, a video creator. My channel name is My Care Motivation Bangla as 30 plus videos. My channel URL is this. This is appeal to YouTube team to monetize my YouTube channel as I am a genuine creator and all content are belong to my own creativity. This channel provide the best motivational speech with inspirational and positive quotes by them. You can get success and a very good positive life also. You can learn motivation, not to love and listen to Bangla stories based on real life. Our aim is to provide you knowledge of personality development in Bangla and how to earn money online. How to do pair also providing routine problem of family relationship etc. We are trying to provide everyone good health and wealth and happiness which is key to success, and I follow the all community guideline, YouTube guideline, and this is the false statement of my channel has rich content. So let me show you some proof. Okay, here was my channel. All video you can watch in this video section. I can show you my first latest video uploading 1 month ago last video. Okay, watch my video voice. মা এখনো অঙ্ক বোঝে না, একটা রুটি চাইলে দুইটা নিয়ে আসে, কোথাও যাবার সময় 20 টাকা চাইলে 50 টাকা পকেটে ঢুকিয়ে দেয়। That was my own voice. Okay, I can show you how can I edit like this video. Okay, I use mobile phone video editing. I using this 4 application for editing. First of all, notes application was a I can use for my script writing. And second one was Pixel Lab. That was my thumbnail editor app. I use thumbnail editing this application. Third one is Easy Voice Recorder. I using for audio recording, for voice for my videos. Last one was a UCard. I can use all of video editing. Here you can see my last project. There was all video clip are fair use for Pixabay and I use some effects. And I type my all text, my voice step by step. You can see like that. Okay, I think this is enough to prove myself that my content has no copyright or no reuse content. And I requested to YouTube team to monetize my YouTube channel as soon as possible. Thank you so much YouTube team.